Hello, I am Lakshmi from the Department of Electronics and Communication, and the cluster elective that we are offering for the 6th semester students is data structures, algorithms and applications. The learning objectives of this course, as to what this course will cater to, is we would learn about the algorithms and the applications of data structures. And the focus is not about programming, the focus is about finding out how to develop an algorithm and how to use that algorithm for a given application. So it's more about learning the pseudocodes and the way to decipher the algorithms than to take a particular syntax and then develop algorithms. So the other learning objective is to understand the different data structures that are there and work on the applications by using them. So this course aims to give you a feel for data structures and building applications using them. And at the end of the course, you should end it appreciating that understanding the algorithm and data structures used for a particular problem or for some problems is much more important than knowing the exact code for it in some programming language. So in this course, the approach that we use to learn data structures is by writing pseudocodes or by analyzing pseudocodes. The course contents are like this. They've been written with objective as keeping the objectives in mind. So unit-wise, this is how it is structured. In the first unit, on initial few classes, we would discuss about what a data structure is and what are the different types of data structures, how would we realize a data structure and realize different types of data structures. And then we would learn to interpret data as arrays and matrices. Once we learn to do this, then we have a lot of applications that we could work on, from signal processing to image processing and a lot of other communications and a lot of other things. So we will learn about special matrix, way of realizing special matrices and the application of special matrices as to where they find applications. So with every special matrix, we learn about if they are applicable to communication systems or if they could be helpful in realizing image processing applications or signal processing applications and so on. Though we don't go to particular applications, we learn about where to use what kind of matrix. We would, the next unit, we would understand and develop stacks and queues, which are the base data structures. And then we would work on we would learn a few applications. Some of the applications would be railroad rerouting, Tower of Hanoi, solving a maze puzzle and things like that. And in the last unit, we would learn about the tree structures, tree as a structure. So we will identify the different tree structures. We will learn to model a tree structure and analyze the different tree structures. And then we would learn a few applications using tree structures. One of them would be placement of signal boosters. So this is about the different topics that this course has. The assessment mechanism will be 3 CIE tests like any other course, and the average of best 2 would be considered. And as an alternate assessment technique, AAT, you would be required to develop one application for every type of data structure that we learn in the class. And these applications are not to be the ones that are already discussed in the classroom sessions. So general rules as applicable to any other subject, I would like to stress on that one more time. So mere registering to the course will not ensure attendance. You have to be physically, mentally present to get the attendance. And the applications that you choose should be based on real-time applications and not the ones that we discuss in the class. And class-disturbing activities will not be entertained. And test books are to be verified on specific days that will be mentioned after every test. And the reference textbook, the main reference textbook would be Sartaj Sahni, and any other textbook that is on data structures would be applicable and can be referred to, but according to the syllabus, it would be Sartaj Sahi.